Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Bobby. My website is Dr. Bobby PDX, and my phone number is 222-1639. I'm a chiropractor in Portland, Oregon. If you look through all those avenues, you'll find me, I'm sure. Doing Google searches and things like that, you're going to find me. Today's topic is we're going to talk about finding the right chiropractor for you, which can be a problem. Now, me personally, I focus on neck and back pain. I really try to keep my focus that narrow so that I can be an expert in that focus. So one of the problems that I find with neck and back pain in general is that we have a supermarket approach to care. So the back pain is an epidemic. There's tons of people with back pain and neck pain, not just in America, but throughout the world. And what we do is we take a supermarket approach. We try a little medicine, we try a little acupuncture, try a little chiropractic. We mix it all together and we hope something works. What really, in my opinion, needs to happen is you need to come to an expert, someone who's going to be thorough, somebody who's going to be goal-oriented, and that's what I try to be for my people. Now, when it comes to you, if you've never been to a chiropractor before, or if you're new to town and you need to try to find a chiropractor for you, there's a couple things you need to do, especially in Portland where there are a lot of chiropractors, there's no doubt. The one problem with trying to find a chiropractor in Portland is that you never know what you're going to get. Are you going to get the crystals and moxibustion guy? Are you going to get the guy who's going to work you out like you look like you work at a gym? Are you going to get the person who's more like a massage therapist? So a lot of times it's hard to figure out what you're going to get when you try to find a chiropractor. Understandably, this is going to take a couple phone calls, but you need to try to find the person that's right for you. Peruse some websites, see people who use the language that you would be accustomed to. One of the problems with trying to find a chiropractor in Portland is there's nowhere to go. There's no website. There's no Better Business Bureau of who the good chiropractors are and who aren't. The Mercury and the Willamette Weekly have a best of, but their best of, is dubiously suspicious sometimes on who the best chiropractor is and isn't. It's pretty much who can drum up the most votes from their friends. So you're gonna have to do some investigating, and then you're gonna find out where you think you can go. You need to find somebody who's patient-centered. So that's the next step. A lot of times chiropractors try to fit you into their technique instead of fitting the technique to you. And it's really important that you find someone who you think is gonna pay attention to your thoughts, your needs, your own classifications, as far as like pushing too hard, not pushing hard enough, working you out versus not working out, promoting exercise, or what their philosophy is. Personally, my philosophy, I'm a little more on the libertarian side. My goal is to try to get you in, teach you what you need to be self-sufficient, and then get you out in an expedient manner that helps give you the power back instead of trying to make you dependent on my care. So that's where I come from. Next, you need someone who's thorough and goal-oriented. Thorough is subjective. Some people think they're being thorough, or they're getting a thorough exam and it's not thorough enough. Some people feel that the chiropractor is attentive to their needs, but we need to make sure that those things happen at the same time in the same place, that the person is goal-oriented and thorough when they're seeing you, and that you're getting what you want. Sometimes that's hard to do with just looking at people's websites and looking at Google reviews and things like that. You need to make phone calls. Unfortunately, a thing that's not common in this town is just the plain old consult. Come in and talk to the doctor and say, can I check you out and see your facilities and see you and see if you'll work with me? I do that. I have a free consult. It's not an exam. It's not a treatment. It's just a couple minutes with me where you can ask me questions, see if I'm the right person for you, and then we can see where we want to go from there. So check me out, drbobbypdx.com. Phone number is 222-1639. And I have easy, simple scheduling processes online, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.